Hello friends, welcome back to day 7 of our JavaScript component challenge. Today we are building custom drop-down menus and we will understand the why behind this choice. Let's go. Let's start with the HTML. We have a div with class dropdown. Inside it, there is a button that opens the menu and an unordered list UL with 3 options. The span below displays the selected option. Now, this is the CSS part. Don't focus too much on the styling right now. It's very basic. I have used a dark theme just for aesthetics. If you want a detailed explanation of the CSS, let me know in the comments and I will make a separate video just for the styling. Next, the JavaScript. First we get our elements using getElementById. Then we add a click event to the button to toggle the menu. When the button is clicked, we use ClassListToggle to add or remove the hidden class to show or hide the menu. When an option is clicked, we check if it's an item, then update the selected text using text content and hide the menu again by adding the hidden class using the class list.add. To close the menu when clicking outside, we listen for any click on the document and check if it's not inside the dropdown. If this is true, then it adds the hidden class back, which will make the dropdown close. And that's it. A clean dropdown is ready. Use of native select method when you want quick implementation and accessibility. But if your design needs custom look and feel or interactivity, go for the custom dropdown. I have added the full CodePen link in the description so you can try it by yourself. You can tweak the styles or even add icons and search filters to the custom version. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Day 8 drops tomorrow and it's a cool one. Thank you.